What is adolescence and puberty? So adolescence is the transitioning period of social and emotional development between childhood and adulthood. It's generally between the ages of 10 and 19. I'm not sure if you guys heard Ella saying before, but seems to be at the moment we're seeing it starting a little bit earlier. It can start as early as around 7 to 8. Now, puberty refers to the physical changes that are happening in our bodies. It's really important to keep this difference in mind for our children with ASD, as often their social and emotional development can be delayed until their late teens or early 20s, but those physical changes of puberty can begin from that age of 10. So this means our teens with ASD may be experiencing the physical changes without having the social, emotional, or psychological maturity to understand what is happening in their bodies.